Hey guys! We're going to explain about acids and bases. Substances with pH of less than 7 are called acids. The stronger the acid, the lower the pH number. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. They turn universal indicator red if they're strong and orange or yellow if they are weak. Lemon is one of the examples of acids. Remember that litmus is an indicator that has two colors, red and blue. If a solution is acidic, it turns blue litmus red. You can use litmus as a solution or as litmus test paper. Remember that universal indicator is a mixture of indicators which shows a range of colors depending on the pH. When acids dissolve in water, they produce hydrogen ion. For example, hydrogen plus chlorine make hydrochloric acid. We can know whether an acid is strong and weak by measuring its electrical conductivity, pH, and rate of the reaction with metals or metal carbonates. The electrical conductivity of a solution depends on the concentration of the ions present. The more ions, the greater the conductivity. A strong acid has a lower pH than a weak acid of the same concentration. A strong acid reacts faster than a weak acid. Substances that can react with acids and neutralize them to make a salt and water are called bases. They are usually metal oxides or metal hydroxides. For example, copper oxide and sodium hydroxide are bases. Baking soda is one of the examples of bases. All hydroxides, alkali metals are strong bases. Strong bases are completely ionized in water. Ammonia is a weak base because it is only partly ionized in water. Compared with strong bases, weak bases have a lower electrical conductivity, a less alkaline, lower pH, and a slower rate of reaction.
Bases that dissolve in water are called alkalis. One of the examples of alkalis is sodium hydroxide. Alkaline solutions have a pH of more than 7. The stronger the alkali, the higher the pH number. Alkalis turn red litmus paper blue. They turn universal indicator dark blue or purple if they are strong, and blue-green if they are weak. When alkalis dissolve in water, they produce hydroxide ions. For example, sodium plus hydroxide ions made sodium hydroxide. Neutral solutions have a pH of 7. They don't change the color of litmus paper, but they turn universal indicator green. One of the examples of neutral solution is water. Next, we are going to explain about reaction of acids. When acids react with bases, a salt and water are made. This reaction is called neutralization. In general, metal oxide plus acid made salt plus water. Copper oxide plus sulfuric acid made copper sulfate plus water. Reaction of acids with metal hydroxides. Metal hydroxide plus acid made salt plus water. Sodium hydroxide plus nitric acid made sodium nitrate plus water. Lastly, we are going to explain about reaction of acids with carbonates. When acids react with carbonates such as calcium carbonate, which is found in chalk, limestone, and marble, a salt, water, and carbon dioxide are made. In general, metal carbonate plus acid made salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Copper carbonate plus sulfuric acid made copper sulfate plus water plus carbon dioxide.
This is all of the explanation about acids and bases. Thank you!